Fucks, I can't get in these. So look in these bitch made motherfucking curly pop eyes when I'm talking to these old blick. Don't you motherfucking care disrespecting in the game. In an injury, come find me dealing with crack. Gotta watch my back and strap with a gat ready to put a bullet on the low. In the streets, getting high off the major low. Let's read another family wants anybody give me. I don't see me no goddamn fucking inbox nigga liking my shit. Making comments on my fire shit up. You faggot, whatchamacallit, little punk dumps. You faggot motherfuckers eyes with my talking to his jaw. The cops really got beef with me, huh? Cause some motherfucker wants some dick in a booty, your faggot and selfish so-called wannabes, huh? You definitely got an issue with me, motherfucker. Let the bigger the nuts. So little pop, like I said, here mercy for my other spirit. What's up, you little nigga? Cause some motherfucker mission, free national. They got know these. Cause uneducated, stupid, belligerent motherfuckers, I'ma kill motherfuckers right in front of retarded motherfuckers. Spreading the motherfucker sleep, nigga. Want me to bag my pistol, swinging dick from police lit. For your butt cheeks, the faggot ass motherfucker from Mr. Wick can really get to play the gun, lick the props. So, nigga, yeah. What the fuck? The disobedient? So you playing with me, motherfucker. So look at me so-called toughy motherfuckers want be born it, but the door, yeah. The fucking ghetto seat. I'm lurking in my fucking room. I spend most of my little time in this shit all through this bitch. Swinging on you motherfuckers. Yeah. So I gotta premeditate the plot for all you motherfuckers itching on the trigger happy. You motherfuckers finally crazy up. Don't you motherfuckers got problems? Definitely got this shit. Bump. All you motherfuckers. Yeah. What's the golden brew? My pops told. Yeah. Once for a second. Fuck the hair race and donkey bowls really gets the sky. Yeah, fucking day. Got a front issue with motherfuckers upon my face. Y'all keep playing little dirty trick games, huh? So I guess the trick for now alone. Sick ass motherfuckers. You definitely got issue on my face. Do the gun looking violent to you motherfuckers. Hey, dumb ass baby for trick for pulse. Yeah. So look in these buster pop frontin' like it's some called tough wannabes. My really get to trip and flipping on police and that make punk badge. Yeah. Look in these weak ass eyes. My really get to the front and on the floor and they body on up in their jobs. Look in these weak ass eyes. My really get to the front and on the floor and they body on up in their jobs. Look in these weak ass eyes. My really get to the front and on the floor and they body on up in their jobs. Look in these weak ass eyes. My really get to the front and on the floor and they body on up in their jobs. Look in these weak ass eyes. My really get to the front and on the floor and they body on up in their jobs. motherfuckers.